Gado. Haya, kaile tukamuona uguo nikamuranga. Sema wanasemanga sisi si wasupu. Wako wapi? Waiteni wakuje. Waiteni tumepose waiteni wakuje. Mokemeo Gina Ideal. Karibu sana.
Asante, nashukuru.
Kuhana atia?
Sawa.
Uko msupu sana.
Nashukuru. Nawe?
Na uko na nyimbo poa, thank you.
Nashukuru.
Uko na nyimbo poa. Reda rere, ugaitha nigatha metekie wi wa guku gwitu. Mount Kenya region, the richest county. Reure magaithia haha kamera na bemwe mereditwa ria kumite ko na nigetha twambiririe.
Njitagwo Gina Ideal, riu nirio ritwa riakwa ria artist name, but njitagwo Virginia Njeri. Wito ni Murang'a, Nairobi no gwetha turetha.
My friend. Gina Ideal?
Yes.
Witagwo Jerry, no reke gwite Gina Ideal to nirio wacagurire.
Yes.
Wambiririe kuina ri?
6-7 years ago.
Oh.
Yes.
20
ilikuwa around 2014.
2014,
yeah.
Wambiririe wiko niki getu
Goreto de very passionate na music, very passionate. So on a hereditary form 4 when I was in college tuseme at that time ndio nilianza kwenda studio. Na studio yako ya mbere guthiare studio ya Naiboy. And at that time I was not signed up to anyone, but
adirio uguo.
Yes, with this studio kureha studio time na kurecord nyimbo, but after kurecord ona diamenyaga sitwara gwoku
2014
Dathiana cia nyamba
mukainira
tona thikiriria nyumba
na mamu wanyu. Wainira rwimbo ruriku rwa mbere Gina Ideal?
Rutionire the light of day.
Ina
rutionire kidogo rutionire the light of day, but then Gedina bere guthi studio eo, when they have events they used to tell me Gadinao events, and that's when gikorana na mundu etagwo Refiga are CEO wa Grandpa Records. Riu niwe akanisign, yes, akijoya, and that's when now ready ikakuwa that big song. That was my breakthrough song.
I'm so ready. Wainire 20?
Hiyo ilikuwa 2015. Yes.
The fire patience.
The fire patience. Few. Todo music only. Anything kiria mundu areka with na maisa make, you must be patient. Gutire kindu gitwikaga success overnight. No moka ukorwo we very patient.
They know how Gina Ideal riria wathiaga na mbere hindio ya rugendo rwa patience. Ni kuri hindi waigua gwiteta unge give up?
Fio. Todo na record ngoma studio, dio andu matwaraga ko, dio presenter ono mwe, dio DJ ono mwe, na dio ni wagirwo gukorwo na team so that kazi yako iweze kukua packaged vizuri, because mimi usemanga msanii kipaji chako umepewa tu kuimba, you need a team. Niwendaga team weyo mundu angeko advice, mundu arakwira rwimbo ru by the umuthe niwe heni yako rutirathi hando by the
hati hando athi megonga ukuta.
Yes, ni urenda team weyo ya guko advice na to make sure ni ura take the right steps. Yes.
Riria I'm so ready.
Yes.
No, wandikire rwimbo ru niki by the way?
Rwimbo ni outcome yake ni a very funny outcome, todo dari hado kando ya swimming pool. Literally uria mundu athia hado ka relax kwa hizo swimming pool beds, but then nikuwa na couple walikuwa wanaogelea, and moiretu hakuwa anajua kuswim. Kogo eraga the boyfriend, sijuka alikuwa boyfriend or the brother, oria mari nake atidaga kimuria, we ready? Niko ready, nionyeshe. Uko ready? Niko ready.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Rwimbo rukiva hau?
Yes.
Wena wikarite haha?
Jikarite haha. Nilikuwa nasoma novel.
We wiki?
Oria mari na tokorwo ni hari na mundu tokondari nyika no idea yo yaimire na situation yeyo.
That is funny.
Yes.
Riu hindi yori ukigwa tune yambia guguka.
Yes.
I'm so ready.
I'm so ready. Nionyeshe niko ready. Show me how to niko ready. A man like you must be ready to show me how to do.
Tondu muiritu ucio amwiraga
we ready, akamuria uko ready? Nionyeshe niko ready.
Nikam.
Yes, nionyeshe.
Tondu muthuri tawe no nginya
akorwo ready
thikũ ici marĩ already
thikũ ici ready mũno
haya reke thĩinĩ rwĩmbo rũu rwaumĩra rĩa mbere rĩ rwatuĩka hit rĩ warũiguire kũrĩa mbere na wamenyire atĩ nĩ rwatuĩka hit?
The first time ndaruiguire yari back then 1FM and ndari ngari-inĩ ngĩthiĩ studio. Iyo yari the first time ndaruiguire radio-inĩ. And after that rũgĩtuĩka rwarĩ all over and few weeks after that ndio manager wakwa Refiga back then akĩnjĩra rwĩmbo rũrũ nĩ rũra deserve a remix and that's when together wire and the rest is history.
Rĩu as a woman to hit the ground na wambĩrĩrie gũthiĩ ĩkoragwo ĩna ũritũ hana atĩa wĩ mũtumia kwanza rĩrĩa ũraina secular na kwĩna andũ aingĩ mũno athuri mena hinya gũkoragwo na thĩna ũrĩkũ gũkoragwo na mahinya marĩkũ na moritũ
nĩ gũkoragwo na challenges mũno tondũ nĩ ta in our industry ni kama when you're lady monaga ni ta we limited kogwo wetĩkĩra yes I'm limited hutaifika anywhere so njugaga we mũirĩtu kwa hii industry no mwaka wĩkĩre effort twice venye the men are doing it lazima cause wewe first of all nito try to prove you know what you can do but lazima uprovie watu
kuna cultural limits kutumia gutiri kindu
yes kogwo ni kuaprovia and also doing what you love
no nyende kumenya atirira ideal inyuĩ nĩ mwamũkagĩrwo nja tondũ tuonaga kũrĩ hĩndĩ ndĩronete acanii makĩrĩra na mararĩ na right ya kũrĩra nĩ ũndũ wa airplays nyonaga mũndũ wa hit Tanzania Nandi matindaga gũkũ mashow do you get as much shows kũu kwao kana nja wa bũrũri?
Jani mendete muno their music that's what I've come to realize nita for example just a small example Uganda ũngĩthiĩ Uganda no ikare in a club na ndokuigwa rwĩmbo rwanja like the whole night na waigwa rwĩmbo rwa Kenya ũkũigwa Sauti Sol sura yako ũkũigwa tokorwo digidigi Aroboy as in very few no gũkũ no rĩu nĩtũtigĩte rĩu as in rĩu Kenyan wave is so much in people are really appreciating Kenyan music.
There's a wave irokire ya to mwanake tutokire my friend na you see tene ni gwakoragwo na a certain class ya do musicians aria marenda kuhana ta mara intimidate ya kama ni ũndũ wa tondu wathia gukerwo video ni milioni yanga shira na keke then tumianake
tutro shoot video na thimo na shika hit
kuhana atia marketing.
For me I always say our vijana in fact ni mara deserve award. Unajua kwa nini? Ni wao wamefanya sasa hivi no longer sasa hatujali Diamond ametoa ngoma amaja toa hatujali as in ukitoka hapa nje unasikia ngoma za Kenya vilivyo unaingia kwa club unasikia tu wa Mlambezi it's as in wamekuja wamesaidia sana.
How is it serving kuri musicians ya mari iguru aya magithiaga na mamilioni ma besha how is it serving tondu ithe tukire guku tutiui was it a shock?
The shock no ado ni tamatuikete a weekend that's why unaona kila msanii sasa ni arenda a collab na the new kids on the block because they are the new kids and they are here to stay. It's what it is.
Na matirama
yes na matirama
mara kira t-shirt ya ungwaru
mara igakiria makwenda no more thikereria
you have no option.
Yes.
What is your vision ideal?
For me, I really want to be one of the most sought after artists in Africa.
Uroraga iguru
Doraga iguru muno Tiwa Savage when it comes to Africa. You know, she's a big inspiration for my music a lot. Kogwo a day at a time, jugaga a day at a time.
Ndaigwa Tiwa Savage nyimbo ciaku. Ndamuigwa handu ni mwendete muno makiria. Ugienda ki thĩinĩ wa thirikari ya Kenya niki mangi improve nigetha muini tawe agetĩĩra toria a Diamond metĩagĩra andũ a Uganda metĩagĩra Tiwa Savage metĩagĩra.
Ni all about to support art more gutigakorwo na a repeat kama this time uria twatumirwo ngirigere gutigakorwo na repeat
matumirwo mikarie no
imagine the videos are so expensive but gutigakorwo na repeat of that next year.
Yes.
Wa find a way kukuwa na hizi artist bodies zenye zina work si ati zenye zinahediwa na andu marenda tu kurira wira wa artist na sweat ya artist. Kogwo ni very very important kukorwo na bodies icio niguo maundu macenjie
andu maneo pesa ciao
tondu we put in a lot of work
ai mundu agoka akaria lakini wa inywe mamenyete muno guo mamenyete kuria pesa cia andu muno ni cia thini cia thibitari cia ki icio no mugatahikio riu ri Ideal we muhiku
asa dire muhiku.
Are you seeing someone?
Yes.
All right. Gugare dekada citu ni cia honoka. Ha, twetere mucere. Andu wathi kundu kwa andu matai na mucere. Na mutigage ikare muno ni tuhutire.
Reke tuone.
Etagwo atia.
Asa gutiri undu ndiraiga uko ndeto yathirira hau
niki ideal rakega nginya riria ageka uria kwagiriire mpaka fanya vile kunastahili mundu angienda ideal ri ni uthiaga ni performagi ni uthiaga magongona ta mariku
ne dependaga na wira kuria wetwo tiatene hando specific dikoragwo ati that's the day asa ni kuria urerwo uthi wira ni kuo uthiaga
niguo
yes kogwo
mundu angikwenda angikuona ku
social media no reach out Instagram ni @GeneIdeal, Twitter ni Ideal Gene, Facebook fan page ni GeneIdeal, YouTube GeneIdeal. Na ungirora bio yakwa ya page icio ni ukuona how to reach my team Taurus Music.
Okay.
Yes.
Toginyo heane namba. No heane namba ya kuku reach kana magerere hau.
Ni magerere hau. Hau ni ha gukorwo na details hena namba direct na hena email address.
Turirikania twauga witagwo atia?
@GeneIdeal. GeneIdeal ni GIN then ideal no uria wandikaga the word ideal IDEAL.
Yes. Kiugo kia mwisho kuri wasanii aria maroka kuri andu ma lose it hope in music and on any field kana kundu guothe mawira-ini woini-ini andu othe ma lose it hope. Kiugo kia mwisho no geithia andu aria marakwirorera.
Kiugo kia mwisho ni ati nduka lose hope. Whatever it is that you believe in, no mwaka ukorwo very passionate in whatever it is. To mwaka ikorwo ni music ama related na arts, but just keep going. Maya maisa gutikoragwo na anything yokaga easily kogwo you just have to keep going ungangane kabisa utafika.
Niguo.
Yes.
Ndukugeithania Murang'a.
Na ndo Murang'a nere ndamugeithia muno Murang'a kahuhia. Mageitheka.
Mami wanyu.
Mami tondare ku no soso eko.
Shosho wao.
Soso etagwo nyina Emily ku.
Thank you muno GeneIdeal. May God bless you. Ngai akwa ndandure. Ngai akuhe favor.
Ona we undu umwe. And thank you so much. Ni ndakena muno guka